Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2023 Genesis G80 and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the taillight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it'll protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before doing the installation, we're going to prep each lens. So all we need is to apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the taillights may have. So when it comes to doing the installation for the taillight, as you can see, the lenses, both of them have almost the same shape. The only difference is the lower section is just a little bit shorter than the top section, but when it comes to the installation process, they're all the same. So the same things that you would do on this side, repeat it for this one, and the same steps that you do for this one, repeat it to this one. So to start off, apply Tack Solution on the lens and just apply a little bit of Slip Solution to the rest of the film. Do the same for this one, just a little bit of Slip Solution on the adhesive side of the film, and just place the film to the edge. Make sure it stays aligned right on the edge. Once you have it aligned, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution once more, but this time on top as well. Grab your squeegee and start tightening it down to secure it. And once you have this section secured, we're just going to lift the film carefully and make sure we just align it to the design of the taillight, making sure we align it as we go. And you might need to do just a light stretch to reach to this edge here, but other than that, it should be pretty simple. So just start tacking down this whole section here. That way the film doesn't move. Keep it aligned and tack it down to this section. Make sure to remove any bubbles that are behind the film. And one thing you can do to help the adhesive on the film activate faster is applying heat throughout the entire panel. That way it sticks better to the taillight and it won't lift over time. So you just apply Tack Solution all around the film. Grab your heat gun and apply heat throughout the entire taillight, and use your microfiber towel just to help it tack down. Okay, and now that we're finished with this one, like I mentioned, the same steps are done here. Repeat it to this one. And then once you're done here, move on to the next two pieces. So almost the same steps as how we did it with this one, but this one you could just only apply Tack Solution on both the adhesive side of the film and the lens. That was just easier to tack down and squeegee fast. You would do the same process for this one, and then once you're done installing both of these, we could post heat. So apply Tack Solution on the lens, Tack Solution on the adhesive side of the film, align it right on the edge, and the film should just fall into place, just like that. All we need to do now is spray Tack Solution on top, grab your squeegee, tack it down, make sure to remove all those solution that may be underneath the film, and that's pretty much it. You can also apply heat just to help the adhesive activate faster, but with the post-heating part, since we're going to do it right after we finish with these two, we could apply the heat while we're doing it. So make sure there's no bubbles, you should be good. Now move on to this piece, same process. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation is to post heat. So all we need to do is apply Tack Solution to the lens, and we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat throughout the entire panel. Take your time when you're doing this step, and then when you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight Tints for the 2023 Genesis G80. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.